Hi everybody, my name is Allison Daubert. I am the teacher in residence for the physics department here at Bridgewater State University. As teacher in residence, I help recruit and train and mentor our future high school physics teachers. Before coming here to BSU, I was a high school physics teacher and I loved my job so much that I decided that I wanted to help recruit and prepare more high school physics teachers. What I loved about my job was getting to go in every day and be with my students and do really amazing physics with them. It was just a really fun and rewarding job. So what I'm gonna show you today is one of my favorite physics experiments. It is with a pith ball. So a pith ball is just a piece of aluminum foil on a string, and this is a non-conducting string. It does not conduct electrons. And I'm going to hang this up here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my plastic rod and I am going to charge this rod with this animal fur. And so this charges the rod negatively. It puts excess electrons onto this rod. And what I want you to try to do is explain the behavior of this pith ball. So you can see it first. Can you see what it's doing? So at first, it's attracting the rod. Now it touches. And now it repels. Oh, there we go. One more. There we go. Now it really repels. There we go. So what we'd like you to do is to try to explain why this happens. Good luck. Hi everybody, we're back with one more electrostatics experiment. So we're back with our pith ball and it is neutrally charged, not charged, and it's hanging freely. But this time it's touching an aluminum can. And this aluminum can we've placed on styrofoam so that there's no conduction between the can and the table. And so we are going to allow this to hang freely. And think about what should happen if we bring the rod near the pith ball. You can see here that it tracks, right? It hasn't touched. I'll neutralize it one more time just to make sure. This time, I'm going to bring the rod near this side of the aluminum can. It's not going to touch the aluminum can. Now, I'm going to pull away the can. Now notice how this rod reacts with the pith ball. Can you explain why? Once you've decided how this is done and you've drawn charge diagrams to show how electrons move throughout the objects to explain what's happening, one of our future high school physics teachers is going to describe for you our solution to the problem.
Hello, I'm Jeff Williams. I'm a physics professor here at Bridgewater State University. We have a really great physics department here, and we have many concentrations that you might be interested in, so please check us out. Our newest one is in photonics engineering, which we're very excited about. Alice and I are working together on training future physics teachers, so especially if you're interested in teaching physics in your future, contact one of us.